Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I just received another order in the mail today from Sticker Mule, who's a fantastic company for making stickers and magnets and other cool stuff. But they frequently run some sales, and so while they're having the stuff on sale, I figure it's a good time to take advantage of it, because usually you save about $50 off. And that's what I like to do, is save some money. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, most are familiar with my TB sticker. Got these a couple weeks ago. I've been sending them out basically to anybody who asks for one. And it's pretty cool. It's my button or my logo that I have on YouTube. It's a little out of ratio. You know, my screen size I have in this format and this interface isn't perfectly 16 by 9. So it causes anything round to get a little squishy there. So I really like this sticker. I think it's, plain and simple and effective. What I don't like about it is anybody who's not on YouTube is not going to know what it represents. And I think that it would be nice if I had the same thing, but with the YouTube channel on it, and basically just telling people what it represents, so that if they looked at it, maybe, just maybe, they would go check my channel out. So what I did was a little bit of an update on this, and this time it's a magnet. It was the magnets I had on sale, and actually since that time I've ordered more stickers with the same design as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at the update that I did on this. So let's go ahead and move this one aside and go ahead and get these open. I'm not sure what to expect in here. I just got the package in the mail. I have not opened it yet. Let's go ahead and see what we have. Let me get it out and set it down. Oh, there's two different packages it looks like. And what else is in here? I got my cool little coaster that they like to send along. Some sticker swag. Alright, so let's take a look. Got the Sticker Mule sticker. That's cool. Great for the grandkids. Got a little Sticker Mule button. It's also pretty cool. Got the Sticker Mule coaster. That's pretty cool. Got the Sticker Mule. I'm going to go ahead and flip these over for a second. I'm not sure what that is, but another Sticker Mule sticker, maybe in a Minecraft form. I think these are pretty cool. They do these die cut stickers. It's got a nice look to it, doesn't it? It's pretty cool. And here's my updated design of my TB button. So let me go ahead and take off the plastic before I flip them over, just because plastic is pretty shiny and glary and stuff. So let me go ahead and get this off here. Now again, I haven't seen these myself. It's the first time I'm seeing them. So let's go ahead and take a look. Oh man, looks very, very nice. So that's my TB button from YouTube. And some little extra stuff added. I've got my YouTube address, the YouTube play button, and a little bit of flames. Kind of represents my channel there with the flames that I have on there. And I really picked those flames because of Bullion and melting Bullion. I just thought it was appropriate for talking Bullion. But look at these, huh? Aren't these cool? What do you guys think? I think they turned out pretty awesome. Boy, Sticker Mule does a great job with everything they do. Look at that baby. That baby is nice. So what do you guys think? You guys like that upgrade? Again, these are magnets, and I have ordered some stickers because people like stickers, it seems. I know a lot of people like magnets as well, but I'll have both. So winners on my Monday live stream are going to be the first ones to get this magnet. I haven't shipped it out yet because I was waiting for these, and the storms that came through recently on the East Coast delayed the shipment by a couple days. But that's okay. I'm sure they don't mind waiting to get the brand new Talking Bullion magnet. We had a couple winners on the live stream, and I'm just going to go ahead and throw a couple magnets in for them. So pretty cool, huh? Very nice. So what I'd like to do at the tail end of this video is I'd like to open up some sticker mail. I've gotten some sticker mail in the last couple of days. I believe I have 6 of them. and I thought this would be a great time to open them up. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have in Sticker Mule. So I'm going to go ahead and move these aside. I'm going to go ahead and open these up upside down. Most of them are addresses I could probably show, but just to keep it consistent, I'll just keep them upside down. So let's take a look at this one. Lake House Beach. Man, he keeps coming up with all these cool little logos on his stickers. It's another awesome one, Lake House Beach. Let's read what it says. Talking Bullion. Hey, my friend. So glad we could do another sticker trade. I love both the stickers you designed, and the magnet was sweet. Here's my other sticker that you don't have. Take care, my friend. Lake House Beach. So look at that. And the magnet he's talking about is, I ordered a sample pack of magnets, and that was just like my rectangular one, but smaller. I only had about 10 of those, and I sent all those out already. But this is cool, Lake House Beach. I like it. Very nice. Thank you for sending that to me. Let's see if I can keep that on screen for now. You got your YouTube sticker, or your YouTube button tag thing there, so that's cool that you got that on there now. I think it's important that we represent our YouTube channel on these things. So here's the next one I received a couple days ago. Let's go ahead and get this open and see who this is from. There's so much sticker trading going on now on YouTube that probably none of these are going to be ones that you haven't seen already. That's okay. I'll show them anyway. Hello, TB. I hope you enjoy your stickers. I would like to trade you one of mine for one of yours. Thanks again. So there we go. That's kind of just a raw form of a sticker from Reviews and Currency, but there's something pretty cool about the basic design of it. I like that. That's pretty cool. We'll go ahead and put that over here for now. I don't know if I'll be able to get them all on my screen, but we're going to try. So thanks again, RC. I appreciate that. That's very cool of you to send me that. And you will definitely be getting Talking Bullion stickers for sure. So here's my next one. This is one that I offered to sticker trade as well. So let's go ahead and get this open. I'm always reluctant to use my knife on this stuff because I don't want to cut the sticker. Let's go ahead and get this open, see what's in here. Sticker stay behind. Oh, these are so cool. Urban Lifestyle. Oh, Eli. Look at that thing. Isn't that thing cool or what? So let me go ahead and put it down right here and let's read what he says. Hey TB, love the work you are doing. Thanks for the stickers. I love them, and I will keep it up forever. I hope you like mine as well. Well, that's awesome, Urban Lifestyle. I like yours a lot. Nice color. You got your little YouTube channel represented well there. And that is really cool. It's a really, really nice design. Thank you. Thank you very much for sending me one. My sticker board is getting full. Well, actually, I need to get it on my sticker board. I bought a board. I just haven't put it up there yet. But I've got a lot of them here now that I can do. So, all right. So let's go ahead and again, thanks Urban Lifestyle. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and look at this next one. So we'll see who this is from. See what it says here. Hello, my friend. Here's my logo channel sticker. Thank you for doing a sticker trade with me. I hope you like my sticker. Have a wonderful night, my friend, and keep posting them great videos. Todd. Well, thank you, Todd. That's a nice little note. Oh, look at your sticker here. Wow, is that cool or what? Don't tread on me, Todd Miller. Is that his YouTube symbols down there? Wow, Todd, that's a nice, colorful sticker. Good job on that one. That looks really good. So I want to try to keep it on the screen here. So let me put it, that gets most of it on the screen. That's good. There we go. Made it. Cool. Awesome. All right. Thanks, Todd. Appreciate it. Very nice. So here's another one. Another sticker. Let's see what's in here. Get it on the screen a little bit. All right. Oh, this is an awesome one. TB, thanks for the sticker, my friend. Here's one for your collecting. Enjoy. TJ Coins. Oh, look at that, TJ. That is a nice sticker. Wow. Very nice design. Love the way the blue and yellow contrast each other. Make it very easy to see. Look at that. Wow. Very creative. Good job on that. Looks good. Let me see if I can get you on the screen there. Cool. Alright, I've got one more. Let's see who this is from. Oh. Let's see if I can get that knife under there. There we go. And what do we have? Thank you. TB, thank you for the sticker trade and for the channel support. This coin community is awesome. Thanks again, Coin Hunting Couple. And there's their sticker. I think these guys are fairly new. Well, probably not too new. They've been around for a while now. They've got some great videos, so if you haven't subbed to them, or any of these guys, why don't you go over and sub them? They're all very unique. They all have great content, and you won't be disappointed at all. These guys have all got really good stuff. So let me see if I can just get everybody's sticker on here. Coin Hunting Couple. Just straighten them out so they're not crooked. Cool. Well, thank you, everyone. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you taking the time to send me your stickers, because this is a really nice addition to my sticker board and the stickers that I have. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.